Neld Solomam here. Older man, younger woman, who decided this was wrong? The age gap panic, control, jealousy, or fake morality? The moment an older man walks in with a younger woman, bang in. The internet explodes. Bang out. Everybody suddenly becomes a moral philosopher. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about age gap relationships and why they cause emotional vertigo in modern society. Not discussion, not curiosity, panic. Why? Bang in, bang out. Describes instant judgment culture. No context, no nuance. No questions, just creepy, gold digger, power imbalance, she's being used, he's insecure, people don't think, they react. And reactions are easier than self-reflection. For most of woman history, men married later, women married earlier. Stability came before romance, experience mattered. Suddenly, in the last 20 to 30 years, this becomes immoral. Ask yourself, did human biology change or did ideology change? Let's be real, the loudest critics are usually better peers, failed relationships, online commentators with zero real world experience. Notice something strange. Happy people don't rage comment. Jealousy wears a morality costume. Here is the truth. Power today is not just money. It's youth, beauty, fertility, emotional leverage, options. A younger woman choosing an older man is not powerless. She is often strategic, calm, clear-headed, tired of chaos. That scares people. Social media survives on outrage, tribalism, simplification. Age gap relationships can't be reduced to a slogan. Don't fit victim narratives. Break modern dating myths, so they must be attacked. Not studied, not discussed, attacked. Successful age gap relationships share emotional maturity, clear roles, mutual respect, no competition, no ego wars. They are calmer, not louder. That calm looks boring to people addicted to drama. Let's be real, immaturity ruins anything. Manipulation ruins anything. Ego ruins anything. Age gap isn't the issue, character is. Bad people fail at all ages. Age gap relationships expose uncomfortable truths. Not everyone wants the same things. Equality, not sameness. Attraction isn't democratic. Choice is terrifying. Freedom makes people nervous. If two adults choose each other freely and it bothers you, the problem isn't their age gap. It's the mirror it holds up to your own life. Bang in. Truth enters the room. Bang out. Comfort leaves. That means it mattered. Like, comment, subscribe. And remember, judgment is loud. Happiness is quiet. See you next episode. I'm Neld Solomon.